Hi, I'm Samantha with SC Parker Photography. Do you have a fancy camera but no idea how to use it? Do you own a DSLR camera but keep it on auto? Would you like someone to teach you how to use your camera and really get the full potential out of it? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then I have the answer for you. I have a Learn Your Camera workshop April 26th from 5 to 8 p.m. For $125, you can learn how to take amazing photos. We'll discuss the exposure triangle, composition, and how to improve your photography, whether you're taking pictures of your kids, landscape, friends, anything. We're gonna have a really great time and hopefully you can make it there. Please send me a direct message if you want some more information. And if you're not interested in this, feel free to like or share it with your friends. Maybe someone else would like to join us. So thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you there. Have a wonderful day. Take care.